Hello folks, this is Steve A.B.4L. This is wonderful. We're getting rain. We haven't had a solid rain in maybe 2 months. Uh-oh, something in the road over here. Something in the road over here. Hey, look at the digger. I'm enjoying seeing the rain. You know, I'm on well water. You never know where it's going to run out, right? Looks like people are at church. 4 in the afternoon. You got your wipers on, you're supposed to have your headlights on. Let's see what the digging looks like in the rain. Of course, it's Sunday. There's some blinking lights on a car up there in this metal roofing company. Well, that's the truck. What did you got his lights on there for? Oh, they finished here. You can see they put down the grass mat. Oh, this all new grass mat here. Remember, they were digging right along in here. Let's see where the, oh, here's the digger. The pipe, oh, they're right down, oh, now they've got to go down into the deep creek bed. They got to this point. Now's the hard part. Over here on the right. It goes down about 20 feet. See, you can't see the, this is the shooting range. See the pipes there in the parking lot? I'm just having fun. This is another place where it goes down into the creek bed too. I'm enjoying the rain. We need the rain. We need the rain. This is a blessing. Now the pipeline's all been done up here. Anyway, enough of boring you. Steve A.B.4L, just out scouting the pipeline on this beautiful Sunday, day after Valentine's Day. Rainy, rainy day. Saying see you at 73.